Hello, welcome. How are you today? I hope you're fine. Today's an amazing day. I hope you're having a splendid day. Okay, so I am just doing this video as a response to everybody that asked me to do a video to show you how to edit an online PDF form. So most of you know that most of the forms that come, visa forms, biodata forms, and most of the forms you need to fill to enhance your travel abroad process, most often than not come in PDF formats. So I've got a lot of questions asking me, what do I do? How do I fill a PDF form? Because everybody is used to filling a Word document. So this is me teaching you today how you can fill a PDF form. I'm actually going to use 3 different websites to show you the different ways you can actually fill these forms. And it is actually very, very simple. You can either use your laptop or your phone. Yes, you can use your smartphone. All of the sites I am going to be showing in this particular video, you can open them on your phone. So it is that easy. So you're not just going to wait to when you solely own a laptop to do this. No, you can do it on your phone. All you need is calmness. Take your time, calm down. If possible, whatever information you want to put on the form, be quick to first write them down in a piece of paper so that when you're using your phone or your laptop, you won't be confused as to what you want to fill. This is your personal information. So I would want to imagine that you all know your personal information. So let's just go right into this video. Have you subscribed? You know how we do it. Have you subscribed? I want to believe that you have clicked the subscribe button and you have given a thumbs up to this video. I love all of you, and if you're a returning subscriber, I love you so much. And for the new subscribers and new community members, I love you too. So let's just dive into this video and let me show you how to go about the PDF filling. So the very first website I'm going to be talking about is a website called ilovepdf.com. ilovepdf.com is spelled as ILOVE PDF.com. So it is ilovepdf.com. You can put it on your Google Chrome on your phone or your laptop, and once you do that, your screen should look like this. And once your screen looks like this, you can just come here to, can you see this part? It says edit PDF. So you're going to come here and edit your PDF. So you're going to click on edit PDF and it's going to ask you to select PDF file. So what I decided to do was to use a PDF file from one of the videos I had taught you so you can see how easy this is. So I'm just going to click on this particular form that is obviously a PDF form and is asking you to fill it. So what you're going to do is come here, download your form that you want to fill. Once you've downloaded your form, the next thing you want to do, you want to go to I Love PDF like so and click on select PDF file, and it's going to take me to the particular form. This is the form. So you can see, guys, it is downloading. Now look at this. This is absolutely free. This is a free website. I'm not even signed in or logged in. Can you see this? I'm not even signed in or logged in, and I can basically edit this PDF. So once you put it there, all you need to do is come here, click on the particular place that says, if you look up, you're going to see different what I call this now, symbols. Can you see this? Or there are different symbols. So you're just going to come here and click on add text. So once you click on add text, you can see that it's going to show you your text here is one. So let's say we're using Bayer Musa as the name. So I'm just going to come here and write Bayer Musa, right? And I'm just going to go click on this and move it to the particular place that it fits in. Can you see, guys? So I have moved it and it's showing Bayer Musa. So having done that, the next thing you want to do is click on another add text and put in whatever you want to put in. So say you want to put in your place of birth, and your place of birth is Lagos. You just put in Lagos there, and you come again and you put it. So if it's too big, you can reduce the size. You can reduce, can you see this? You can reduce the font. I put it at 12, 18, whatever you want. You can just come here and you put it. So that way you're going to do this and you're going to fill every information like so till the very end. So for those of you who are also asking, if I want to click on a box, what do I do? It's the same method. You're just going to come here, click on draw, as you can see, like so, and you draw. Tick, voila. You can come here and tick, voila. You can come here and tick again, voila. So the draw tool allows you to tick, while the add text allows you to actually type on any PDF. Now the draw tool is also going to allow you sign your signature. So it is so easy. You're not even going to have issues signing your signature. So all you're going to do is just come here and do this and do this, whatever your signature looks like. And you see I'm signing. Whatever your signature looks like, just use the draw tool to sign. So having taught you the draw tool, I've taught you add text, place and dates. I'm just going to put Lagos again to make sure you guys understand. Today is 8, that's August. Today is August /20th /2023. Do you see how easy this is? And you can do this on your mobile phone or your laptop. And I just put it like so, and you can do this and use this to fill up all of the form. Take your time, and all you're gonna do when you're done filling the form is just to come here and click on edit PDF. It's going to go like so, and can you see it is done, and it's telling you this task has been processed successfully. You can click on download PDF, and voila, your PDF is good to go. You have your PDF and you are absolutely good to go. It is that easy. So I'm going to also show you guys another website you can use if you don't like the I love PDF. The next website you can use is PDF to go. So you're gonna just come here, type in PDF to go on Google, and you're gonna see something like so, and you're gonna click on edit PDF. So once you click on edit PDF, it's gonna show you choose file. So we're gonna click on the file and go back and choose the same PDF we used in the first website, like so. It is uploading, and as you can see, voila, it is uploaded. So we have this now, and we can edit. It's almost the same thing. It's so similar. The very next thing you need to do is just to come here like so. Once you come, you just come here, you can see, and you add text. So say Bayer Musa, like so. Can you see? And you move it to wherever you want it to be. Same thing, you click again, you want to write something else, you come and you say like so, Lagos, and you put it down here, and that's it. So that's the same way you're going to feel. So it basically, you can see, guys, it basically does the same thing. So that's the fastest way to do this. and you want to come down again, and if you're having anything you want to do, you would just go through, look at it, understand, and when you're done you can come here and click save as. So you can see this green button here, you can click save as, and it also has the pencil tool. You can see, can you see if you want to sign, it also has the pencil tool like so. Can you see him signing and signing and signing? So basically, yeah, when you're done you click on the save as and it saves. And the last part I want to show you is this. So once you're done using either I Love PDF or PDF to go, the next thing you need to do to make it very, 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 very easy for you to attach your photograph, because you can see in this particular form, the reason I use this form is because the form that has a photograph is asking for your passport photograph. So if you're filling a form that does not require you to upload your passport photograph, you can just fill with this two websites, I Love PDF or PDF to go, and just download and send to wherever you want to send. But if it has this is the next thing you need to do. So once you have filled your form like so, and you've downloaded the form, the next thing you need to do, you're going to come to I Love PDF and you're going to do this. So you're going to say convert PDF. Guys, can you see this? Convert PDF. And you go and you select the particular PDF that you have filled. So this is the one we have filled, and it says convert PDF to JPEG. It needs to be an image form. I'll tell you why. So when you're done filling, if it's a form that needs a passport photograph, go to I Love PDF and pick convert PDF to JPEG. So you're going to click on this and you're going to convert the PDF to JPEG. Like so, this is now downloaded, it is converted to JPEG. I now have a JPEG form downloaded in my download. So I'm going to come to another website called Canva. So for those of you who don't know, Canva is one of my favorite websites of all time. So I'm going to come here, and the website is spelled as CANVA.com, canva.com. So yeah, I'm going to just come to Canva and I'm going to go and upload the JPEG file that has been downloaded. So I'm going to come here like so. As you can see, it is a zip file. So I'm just going to extract all, click on extract, and I have it like so. And I'm going to just come here and click on the particular one. I'm just going to click on the particular one I want like so, and it's going to be uploaded as a design on my Canva. So you can see it's uploading as a design on my Canva. I'm just going to zoom in for you guys to see. Can you see the Bayo Musa I wrote is still there? The Lagos, the things I ticked, they're all there. But I'm just here for this. I'm only here to put a passport photograph. So I'm just going to assume that this is a passport photograph, or don't worry, let me just look for any random picture in use for it. Let me look for a female. So I'm just gonna do this. So let's just assume this is our passport photograph, and on the plain background you're just going to reduce the size like so and take it to fit. Make sure it fits into the form. Can you see this, guys? So like so, and make sure it's perfectly sitting on the form. So once you've done that, all you need to do is come to share, click on download, and this is now a PNG. So you go back to JPEG, or you just, to make it very easy for you, because you will want your form to be in the PDF format. So you just click on PDF standard, and click on download. You click on download, and voila, you have all of your forms as a PDF file. So you just go to your downloads and you cross check and confirm that it is okay. So in case you didn't really understand, take your time, watch this video again, follow the steps, relax. By the time you do it for the first time, it will now be so easy for you to be to keep doing it. So take your time. This needs patience. I can do it fast and quickly because I've been doing this and I understand it closely. So for you, you can watch the video like twice and just take your time and know how to do this. So between I Love PDF, PDF to Go, and Canva, you have absolutely no reason to be confused about filling PDF forms online. So the only reason why we used Canva is because this particular form has a place for you to put your passport photograph. So if you don't have a place to put your passport photograph, you can just stop at either I Love PDF or PDF to Go. And most forms don't actually require passport photographs, very few forms. So but this one that requires, then you need to take it to Canva, and before you take it to Canva like so, you need to change from PDF to JPEG, just as I did in I Love PDF. But so let me even take you guys to something even way more interesting. So if you feel like this is a long route for you and you don't quite understand, you can actually just come here after changing your form from PDF to JPEG. When I Love PDF, you can actually come here and fill out all the forms, yes, but I wouldn't advise you to use the PDF on Canva because it has a way of disrupting the text. So it's better for you to save it as a JPEG format and bring it over to Canva. So you can actually fill out some things here by clicking on text, and you add text box like so, and you can see I can just put buyer Musa again, like so, and I'm just using this as an example, guys. So you can put whatever you want to put, move it, reduce it, move it. Can you see? Then when you finish, be sure to download as a PDF so that you don't have to convert again. So if you want to download, you just come here to file type. You're going to see JPEG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF print, SVJ, and P4. What you're going to choose is PDF standard, and you're just going to go download it. Play around these three websites: I Love PDF, PDF to Go, and Canva. Trust me, you figure it out. I love you guys. Do not hesitate to drop your questions in the comment section, and I will do my best to reply. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to join the premium WhatsApp group. Don't forget to look out for our free lives, question and answer lives. And don't also forget to follow us on Instagram and see all of the amazing packages we have, and also our Telegram groups. Follow the Telegram group so that you can see all the past links that we have shared over the couple of months. We love you guys. You're amazing, and have a blessed day. Bye.